Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Log into Aternos and open the server you want to protect. Once there, go directly to the Backups tab and choose Create Backup. Name it with date and brief note so you can find it later. Make sure the server is stopped or that a recent save has occurred, because backups capture current world files. This prevents partial saves and file lock issues. By starting now, you avoid data drift and can proceed to more detailed steps with a verified snapshot. Once you have a snapshot, inspect it in the backups list. Check timestamps and file sizes to confirm the world exported correctly. If you need an offsite copy, click Download and save the tar or zip to local storage or cloud. This gives an extra restore point. Make sure to add descriptive names or notes so you know which world and version each backup contains. After downloading, double-check the archive opens locally. Doing this now avoids surprises when you actually need to restore. To finish, pick the backup you want and click Restore, confirming that you understand it will replace current world files. Once the restore completes, start the server and walk through key areas, test plugins, and verify player data. This ensures the restore succeeded. If something goes wrong, stop and check the backup's file size and integrity. Ensure the server was stopped during restore, and review server logs for errors. Contacting Aternos support with log snippets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.